Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss the conversion of a Boolean function from SOP to POS. This question I have solved in one of my previous lectures, and one of my student has asked if these options, let's say given in POS rather than SOP, then how this question can be solved. So I'm just answering that query in this lecture. So as I have already solved that, this is the SOP form for this given multiplexer. Now let's say if the options are given in POS, then we need to convert this thing as in POS. So in product of sum, when we want to convert, let's first draw the K map for this given. So because there are three variables involved, P, Q and R, it will be 8 cell K map, right? So draw the 8 cell K map. I'm drawing like this. And now so first draw it and then we discuss. So it is a 8 cell K map. There are three variables P, Q and R involved. So this side I am taking A, and this not A is not there. P, Q and R. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? Now according to this, let's fill the values. P bar Q. So P bar is available here and Q is available in these two. So these will be high, P bar Q, right? Then Q R bar. So Q R bar, Q is here, R bar is here. So both these cells will have high value. Q R bar is here. This is representing Q and this is R bar, right? And then P Q bar R. P is true in this. P is high in all these cells. And then Q bar R. Q bar R is here. So P Q R bar is representing this cell only. Now this is the representation of this function in this K map. Now remaining shells we will fill with 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now we want to convert it into POS. So I'm writing, we are converting this form into product of sum form, right? It is given in SOP, sum of product. So in that case, we need to group zeros. Now when we start grouping the zeros, this 0 cannot be grouped with anyone, right? This 0 cannot be grouped. So it is at a particular position. So this will be having independent element, and these two can be grouped like this, okay, and these two can also be grouped. So I'm making another group like this. We are forming the group for zeros rather than ones, and this 0 is not having any further possibility, so it is single, right? So ultimately we are going to get three terms. Now when we write in POS, we represent this thing. The 0 value will be represented as P and this will be represented as P bar, and here this 0, 0 will be reflected as Q bar, Q plus R. 0 will be represented with positive thing. This 0, 1 will be represented as Q plus 1 will be represented as R bar. Here it will be represented Q bar plus R bar, and this will be represented as q bar plus r. So this group, which is highlighted as green, is writing. So this green will give p plus, here r is changing, so p plus q. R is changing from r to r bar, so it will be eliminated. Dot. Then this group, which is represented as this blue color, it will give us p will be eliminated, so it will give us q plus r. Dot. This last one, this is 0. This will be written as, it is p bar plus q bar r bar. So it is p bar plus q bar plus r. Right? So in that way, we can convert a given function into the product of sum. So in case the options are given in that form, still we can solve the questions. So I hope this is the answer of the query. Thank you. I'm closing this lecture. See you in the next class.